Good morning. For today's daily cipher and daily combo, and before to proceed, please follow and subscribe and like and share. Thank you. Comment down below if you want to more and more and more. For daily cipher is bacon. Take the prize for 1 million coins. For daily combo is punta ka sa PR team. Yan talaga. And Coin Telegraph. Go ahead. Then baba ka konti. Hanapin mo si Security Audition. Ito po siya. Go ahead. And then punta ka sa Special. New cards. Then Hamster Analytics. Go ahead. Yan. Take the 5 million coins. Take the prize. Then that's good. Yan. If you want to go up mini games, the new character of Hamster Combat, go there and play because of the key is important. Why? They're in the front in the top. K is 0, but today is not my time. But it's okay. And for your information, please follow and subscribe and like and share. Thank you.